Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Open Discord and join a Midjourney bot channel. Make sure your subscription is active and pick a clear visual goal. Once done, craft a tight /imagine command that names the subject, a dominant style, and one strong modifier. For example, ancient library, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed. Use aspect ratio like 16:9 and keep adjectives focused so the model converges. This first step sets the creative constraints, which is why it matters more than generic experimentation. Once your initial images render, analyze composition and decide what to change. Tweak prompt weights, insert technical flags like R16:9 or Q2 and switch model versions for different aesthetics. Make targeted edits, increase subject weight to emphasize the main object, or add negative keywords to suppress unwanted details. Use V buttons to make variations and U to upscale a chosen image. Repeat, iterate, compare, and combine promising seeds so the result progressively aligns with your vision. To finish, pick the best variant, press U to upscale it, and download the highest resolution file. If you need print-ready output, upscale twice or recreate with higher Q. If the image has odd artifacts or anatomy errors, lower stylization, simplify the prompt, or switch to a different model version. This often resolves noise. Make sure to test with a reference image if composition fails, and export multiple sizes so you have options. One troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong, simplify the prompt and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.